This is Jae with Inspired Designs with Jae, and if you're new, welcome. If you're already subscribed, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, this is my Happy Planner Big WhimsiDaisi weekly spread of Monday, March 30th through April 5th. Thought process and if you like to see this spread, please stay tuned. Alright, in today's video, again, this is March 30th through April 5th, and I love yellow. It's my favorite color, and this particular theme has yellow in it, as you can see in the lines here. And again, for those who don't know, this is the teacher layout in the big format. And normally the dates are on this side for Monday through Friday, but I cover those up and make them my subjects for the week. And across the top are the dates. And this spread is from the Wrong spread. I'm not sure which book it is, but it is Wrong mixed in with some stuff I already had. And so this is the second quarter, and so I thought I'd start off strong with this. My current job ends this day. I start my new job here. So, and I only work 3 days a week starting in the new job, and which is awesome. So if I need to travel with my artists or do location shoots for the magazine or teach my hair care product line, which is Impresse, I can do that. And because on Mondays salons are usually closed, and then that's a good day for teaching. Or if there's a convention that I'm showcasing my product in, Mondays is usually available. So that is super exciting to have the 3-day work week for me. Hopefully the magazine will be out already. If not, please stay tuned for that. And the magazine is Bossin' Up magazine. And with the beer flu, I don't know when Slay Guy will be performing, so stay tuned for that. Impresse is being shipped out. If you'd like to get the products, or if you'd like for me to do an on-screen walkthrough of the products, please leave me a comment below and I will do that for you. WhimsiDaisi, hopefully the covers will be coming out soon, and I believe that is it. There should be videos rolling out more frequently with Inspired Designs with Jae, but in this spread, it's simple. You know, follow your own star. Just the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. That is just phenomenal, and that's by Eleanor Roosevelt. And also Fridays I usually take for me to do the things I do for me. That's why this is my day. And I'm also practicing my lettering in cursive. Self-care. This doesn't belong to any of this because it stops the week. My work week stops here. So this and Saturday and Sunday is just whatever's in the blocks. So self-care for me and all the things I would do to self-care. Any entertainment that I will do for myself will be here, and any shopping that I need to do for myself is here. So I also like to make a list of things that I need to take care of or accomplish or start next week. In this section, any things I need to do, projects I need to do in the home, whether it's in the home or at work or with any of the businesses, it happens here. And other stuff to do, like probably shopping, will be due there. And I always try to make the day count, whatever day it is. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Please like my videos. Please comment on my videos. I love to hear from you, and I want you guys to be productive and make it happen. Enjoy your day. Have a great one.